So Atlanta will get the first possession. Down low. Here's Aldridge. First shot, first basket. He's out of the blocks fast.
Imposing his will on the interior. LaMarcus taking the contact and finishing through the play.
Now here's Arenas. Inside. Here's Anderson. Outside for Arenas. And it's off from three-point range. Here's Ivy. Going inside. Wade with the defensive effort. And an intentional foul right there.
Yeah, not sure what that was about. I mean, talk about a brain cramp.
First team foul.
Arenas with it. Over Rozier. No good off the back of the rim. And about a minute gone here in the first quarter. And the whistle blows. It's going to be on Gilbert Arenas. That is his first foul of the game.
First team foul.
Atlanta with the ball. And Rozier, here we go.
Terry Rozier the third.
For Rozier to be effective, that's just what he has to do. Keep moving, don't sit back and be passive.
And Scotty Barnes, the Rookie of the Year in 2022 in the NBA.
And you could argue he was maybe the biggest surprise of the 21 draft. Made a huge impact on the floor immediately. If you did a redraft of that class, he'd be closer to the top.
When he has that much space, he's a pretty good bet to nail the three.
Arenas. And no good. The try spell continuing for him. Pass to Aldridge. Back to Rozier. And a great assist by Aldridge as that one goes in.
3-point.
Rozier's got 5 now.
And they are starting to pull away here as the shots continue to fall.
Yeah, the D is looking helpless to stop them right now. They're doing whatever they want to do on offense.
Ivy with the bucket.
Displaying intensity right off the opening tip, especially on the offensive end.
They came out swinging, really setting the tone on offense, and the opposition has not been able to respond.
Now here's Arenas.
The more you watch Arenas, the more it seems like the sky is the limit when it comes to his ability. Starting to do things you just don't expect from a guy his size.
Shooting for your home team.
He's off on the second. The kick out to Rozier. Wide open. Shot is good off the back rim and in. He has 7.
Excellent all-around performance so far, hence the big lead.
They got off to such a hot start, and that can keep you energized throughout the whole game.
That one good for 2.
And once he got to the 10, I think he was surprised to find himself that wide open.
Easy possessions like that literally are just a gift. You just dream of them. He'll gladly take those.
Out to the wing. Now Jokic over Aldridge. And it's sent back by Aldridge.
And look at how well Aldridge utilizes his size, reaching out and just batting away the shot.
To the right side. To the paint. And he gets the whistle for the 3-second call. Just over 3.5 minutes gone here in the first.
Marcus Smart.
Here's Arenas. Carter outside.
Blocking foul call. Jaden Ivey. That's his first personal foul. Third team foul. Checking in for the away team, Joel Embiid.
Stolen by Ratliff. And now in transition, it's Barnes. Here we go. In the corner, Smart with it. .102 left to play in the first quarter. Now, here's Jokic. He's been patient so far. Nothing on the scoreboard yet. To the middle. Vince Carter on the wing. 5 on the clock. Out to Wade. For 3. Good work defensively by Smart. Pass to Embiid. Now here's Ratliff. Back to Embiid. And the call on the shot that sends him to the line.
The size and skills of Embiid, look, it just makes him a tough cover. Sometimes you just got to foul the big fella.
At the line for the away team, Joel Embiid. At the line for 2.
And he misses the second one as well, so he is 0 for 2 that time. Here's Carter. Barnes grabs the miss. And here's Smart. Here's Ike over Wade. And contact on the shot, so he'll be shooting free throws here. That's on Dwayne Wade. For Atlanta, they have missed both free throws they've attempted tonight.
Ivy. 2 shots.
That misses, so he splits the free throws. And so it's Atlanta with a 14-point lead as we bring the quarter to a close. And it's been their rugged defense setting the tone. We'll take a quick break and then back to the action here.
Fans, please give a big round of applause for your dance team.
And glad to have you with us, folks. Second quarter of basketball. This game has not exactly been neck and neck, but plenty of time left in this one. And when you consider how Atlanta is doing, your thoughts?
They came in on a mission, razor-sharp offense in that first period.
Can they keep up the pace? Who knows, but they're already in a great position to win this one.
Pass to O'Neal. A shake. The shot missing. And Atlanta will come the other way. Here's Smart. And down it goes, jamming that one home.
Get him the ball anywhere close to the hoop, that thing is over.
Here's Jones. O'Neal trying to break free. And it's good off the back of the rim and in. And so it's Smart. He'll bring up the ball for Atlanta. Second quarter of basketball, about 1 minute played so far. Back to Embiid. 1 up, 1 down. 2 points with his first shot this game.
Look, inside, Embiid just has all the tools for success. The height, the power, and more importantly, the tenacity.
And boy, that looked like goaltending. Yes, it is. And so they will award the basket there.
Coming onto the floor for the
So close to getting the block there. You can live with those calls because you'd rather have a guy playing aggressive instead of playing it safe.
Pass to Embiid. Shot clock at 6. Fires from deep. And Shaquille O'Neal pulls it down.
away team foul.
Atlanta making a switch here.
That's his first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution on the court.
Jordan with it. Pass to McDaniel. Here's Jones. To the inside. Kicks it out to Booker.
3 seconds.
And too much time in the lane. They get called for the 3-second violation.
And just a little too lax with that possession, and it cost them.
And if they want to come back in this game, look, they got to clean up those mistakes.
And here's Ratliff. Back to Smith. Just 5 to shoot. And there's the call on Jones. That is his first foul of the game.
Personal foul. First team foul.
Now Marley. He's been quiet so far. Still no points in the game. Clock at 6. They kick it out to Green. Buries the long-range jumper.
Yeah, and I like the creativity there by Marley. You gotta like seeing him zip passes across the court.
Now here's Jones. Pass to Jordan. Atlanta with the rebound. Olynyk high post.
Kelly Olynyk.